Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today I got a series of questions from somebody regarding my Python trading course. Here's a description of it. I'll go through it to answer this person's particular questions. But if you want, I put this link in the description. If you're interested, just let me know via social media or commenting. I'll definitely hook you up for that if you're interested. All right, so here's what his questions were. Right here, hi, I'm looking to buy the Python Algo Trading package, but at this price, I'd like to know what I'll get in detail. I have a few questions. The Python code is the same as what you're using in your YouTube videos. Yes, plus I've enhanced it further for my own use, but the core of what I use is exactly in here in this course. And if you become more involved in my community, usually help other people out to further enhance their own framework based upon this core technology they learned from this course. What is the refresh time for new code and add-on changes that are documented? The code really isn't changed. The course is fairly static. It's 2 years old. It's obviously still valid. I'm still using a lot of it. But I do have another program called the Elite, which is an annual subscription that you join that you can get all the latest changes and research that I do for coding, researching, and trading models. But my latest model is about 3 months old. I haven't really modified it a lot, just tweaked it here and there. I've talked about it a lot in my webinars that are part of that program, as well as some other custom videos that I have as well. I provide all source code. So the course that you're referring to is just the core course for the framework. And from there, you just build out and customize to your needs. And if you want to move further, obviously, you move into the Elite program as well. For how much time will I receive updates? Okay, so the static course that you're inquiring, this one here is 3 month access, but usually a lot of people ask for extensions, which I do. But you might ask, why am I providing a 3 month access? I just do that to motivate people to put them under a timeline. But from history, quite a few people ask for extensions, which there's no problem there at all. What is the trading service API used to make these transactions? I'm only using Binance with one of the modules that I provide, CCXT, which is a wrapper to over 100 plus exchanges that you want. So you could use that as well. But I really focus on Binance because it's the largest, probably the most innovative, most trusted as well out there. So hopefully that'll answer specific questions. Also, I have my Monday webinars as well, Monday nights. So we've had people come through and ask that. My WhatsApp group is becoming a little more active in that regard as well. So I'm available there, and that's on the WhatsApp group that you can join and be part of that as well. So hopefully they'll help you out. Again, I'll put the description of the course in here. For that, if you want to know more, just visit this page. Also in there, you'll notice that I've got a high-level video, and it gives you a complete walkthrough of the dashboard and what's in there, as well as the materials is listed all here as well. So hopefully that'll help you out. In my mind, as I said to people, once you get to a point where you can master this type of framework with Python and 100% in Python, you can pretty well build any custom bot within an hour to 2 hours because you have all the components there ready to go and modify as time needed. And I can build bots now from scratch, from trading ideas, um, like I said, within a few hours, and then a few days, probably a couple of weeks to tweak it to get it working. If it depends obviously on the strategy, if you can get it working as well. So hopefully I'll help you out, and we shall talk to you later. Thanks again.